The topic for today is how to free convert a PDF file from any software. Search for qtpdf.com. Click on the link. Click on Products. Click on Qt PDF Writer. Click on Free Download. Also click on the Free Converter. After clicking, it will start downloading. After the download's completion, click on Show All. Click on Show in Folder. Double-click the installation file. After clicking, a license agreement page appears, which no one reads. Click I accept the agreement. Click Next. Again, click Next. Click Install. After clicking, it will start the installation process. During installation, it will ask you to install a PDF converter. For the time being, click No. After the installation is finished, double-click the converter. Click on Install. After clicking, it will start downloading additional files, which will take a little time. After downloading, it will install automatically and a confirmation message will appear. Click OK. Next, open one image sample. Press Ctrl+P. Click on Printer. For converting PDF there are two options. First, you can select Microsoft Print to PDF or Qt PDF Writer. Let's select Microsoft Print to PDF. Click on Print. Navigate to the file location. Assign one name. Click Save. After clicking, it will save as a PDF. Press Ctrl+P. Click on Printer. Click on the Qt PDF Writer. In Orientation, you can select either Landscape or Portrait. In Copies, you can select the number of copies. Paper trays are not an option for this. Click on Paper Size. From here, you can select the paper size. Click on Photo Size. Here, you can select the image size. Click on Print. After clicking, it will start converting the image file into a PDF file. Click on the file location. In this PDF conversion option, you can set the user's password. You can also set the master password. Click Cancel. Click on Save. Let's open the file location. Double-click on the converted PDF file. So in this process, you can convert any file to a PDF file. Like, subscribe, and share our videos for more interesting topics.